Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and wiring diagram for the fuel rail pressure sensor on Mercedes C220 CDI W203 model. First I'll show you the location of the fuel rail pressure sensor in the service manual. The location of it is just on the fuel rail, and it's on the front of the fuel rail, just there. That's what the fuel rail pressure sensor looks like in the picture. And next I'll show you the wiring diagram for it. That's the wiring diagram, and that in blue is the fuel rail pressure sensor. It has 3 wires. The wires are red and white, green and violet, and gray and brown, and they're all connected to the engine control module. Next I'll show you the location of the fuel rail pressure sensor on the car. Like I said before, the fuel rail pressure sensor is located on the front of the fuel rail. That's the fuel rail right there, and that's the fuel rail pressure sensor. To remove the fuel rail pressure sensor, there is a bolt over there that you need to loosen and remove, and take out the electrical connector. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.